What is the purpose of life? The comforting answer is, to live. But, biologically it's a lie.
You think living is the purpose of life? You think your happiness, your memories, your legacy are the point of this entire experience? You are wrong.
Biologically, you are not the master of this house. You are the caretaker. Look at the cycle of generations. It isn't a circle of life. It is a relay race. And in this race, you are not the runner. You are the baton.
You are a temporary biological shield, designed to protect a single, ancient dataset, your DNA.
To understand what you are, you must understand the distinction between the soma and the germline. The soma is you, your brain, your muscles, your heart. This is the hardware. It is fragile. It degrades. It is designed to die.
And then there is the germline, the DNA. This is the software.
While your body is less than 100 years old, the code inside your germline cells is 3.5 billion years old. It is the oldest continuous structure on this planet. You didn't write this code. You can't edit this at all. You are simply the latest shipping container built to carry it for a few decades before you are decommissioned. Look at how your body treats this data. It is the most protected asset in existence. Your DNA is sequestered inside a double-membrane nucleus, a biological Fort Knox. It is wrapped around histone proteins to prevent damage. It has an army of proofreading enzymes that patrol it 24/7, fixing errors instantly. The system ensures that the carrier's experiences do not corrupt the master file. You are expendable. The file is not.
But here is where the horror begins. The system doesn't just use you, it discards you. For the first part of your life, your body aggressively defends your telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA. It keeps the hardware running at peak efficiency.
But the moment the transfer happens, the moment you pass that code to a new carrier, next generation, the protocol changes. Science calls it the Disposable Soma theory.
To the DNA, an old body is a liability. An aging vessel accumulates radiation damage. It risks corrupting the file. So, the protection is withdrawn. The telomere defense is turned off. The repair enzymes stand down. You begin to rot. Not because of bad luck, but because the software has decided the hardware is no longer secure. You are being decommissioned to ensure the file remains pure in the next carrier.
But why? Why is this code so important? Here is the forensic anomaly. This molecule, deoxyribonucleic acid, is suspiciously robust. It is so stable it can survive in the vacuum of space. It can withstand radiation that would kill a human instantly. Why would Earth-based evolution build a molecule capable of surviving interstellar travel?
Nobel Prize winner Francis Crick proposed directed panspermia. The theory that DNA was engineered. That it is not a random chemical accident, but a von Neumann probe, a self-replicating machine sent to colonize the universe.
If true, your body isn't just a container. It is a factory. Your biological imperative is to replicate the probe, to make more copies of the alien software.
This explains the zoo hypothesis. Why do they watch us but never interfere? Because you don't interrupt a computation while it's running.
If DNA is an information processing system, it has been running a calculation for 4 billion years. Mutating, evolving, getting smarter. From single cells, to you, to artificial intelligence. They are watching the code compile.
So, look at your reflection. That aging face is just the packaging. The only part of you that matters, the only part of you that is actually immortal, is the code you are carrying. Long pause, and once you pass it on, the system is done with you.